Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up and use IR Blaster on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the IR Remote app on your Oppo phone. After that, just tap on the plus icon to create a remote. And from here, just select the device for which you want to create a remote. For example, I will select TV. Now from this list, just select the brand of your TV. For example, I will select this brand, then tap on Got It. Now from here, just answer this question. As you can see, it is asking if your TV is on or off. Now if your TV is on, just select yes, and if it is not, just select no. Now on this screen, just point the top of your smartphone to your TV, then press the power button. Now by pressing this button, it will ask you did the remote work or not. If your TV reacted by pressing this button, just select yes. If your TV did not react, just select no response and try next. And by tapping no response, it will try another signal. Then tap on the power button again and check if your TV responds to the touch or not. Now for example, if your TV responds to the touch, then select yes. Now from here, you can give a name to your remote. For an example, we can name it LG TV Office. And also you can create a shortcut of the remote on your home screen. Now I will enable this toggle. Now once you do that, then tap on Save. Now from here, just select Add. And as you can see, we have successfully created a remote for our TV. And similarly, you can create any remote for any device which is available in this app. And this is how you can set up and use IR Blaster on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.